Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable the notifications for Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable your app notifications for Google Chat, you just simply have to open the application of Google Chat, and after tapping in there, if your notifications are turned off, this option into top will automatically appear. And now, if this option is not visible into your screen, you can tap to these three bars into the top left. And after tapping there, you will get the option of settings. Tap into settings, and then after going into settings, you will get this option of mobile notifications at very top. Tap to this toggle and enable it for mobile notification. And after doing this, your app notifications for Google Chat will successfully be enabled. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.